Everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to create a community on Roblox. So for that, first of all, you need to come to your browser and open a new tab and search for Roblox here. And after searching that, as you can see, www.roblox.com, you have to click on that. And after coming to the dashboard, as you can see, this is the home page or the dashboard of the Roblox. So from here you have to select the community from here. So community are basically the groups uh, where multiple of people can join and discuss about the game and stuff. And you can create a community that's a group, and here as you can see there are multiple communities like experience studios, like categorized in buildings, role playing, fan, and all that. You can just click on any of them and can join here, or you can just create a community for your own people like your friends or family. You just have to click on the right upper section, create community, and you have to just name your community like buddies for life. They say you can just give a description like we are the people playing games for fun and interacting with everyone. Let's say this is a description for my group, and you can just select an image from your computer like this one, and you can select the option like anyone can join or manual approval. I'll just go with manual approval, and you just have to spend 100 credit to create a community. So after clicking on purchase, you have to just spend the amount here, and we are good to go, and your community is created, and you can chat and discuss about the game in the community and share memes and everything here. And that's it for this video. See you on the next one.